There is a extension cord system that I had to hook up since we lost power in our power box on Monday. For the last 3 days, I've been running almost 300 feet of connected extension cords that are about 50 feet to 100 feet long. That goes from my basement by my washer and dryer, going all the way down, up around the hot water tank, going up the stairs, over the banisters, and creating a trip hazard. For the last 8 years, I have been telling my landlord he needs to do something about the fuse box and several of the plugs in my home. Because of this result, he came over, fixed it enough for us to be able to have electricity in only 3 rooms. Kitchen, bathroom, in my bedroom, all the way at the front end of the house. And he's an ending result. And as you can see, we have one green cord, one orange cord, and we have the cord to the fridge and the stove hooked up, and it goes all the way back down there, up around everything here, and all the way down the hallway about 30 feet to another TV.